In this class, let us learn inductive reactance. It is the resistance offered by an inductor to the flow of current. It is denoted by XL. In a purely inductive circuit, the current amplitude Im is equal to voltage amplitude by L omega. L omega plays the role of resistance. It is called inductive reactance XL. XL is equal to L omega. It is analogous to resistance. It limits the current in a purely inductive circuit. XL is directly proportional to L and directly proportional to omega, where omega is 2 pi nu, angular frequency. For DC, frequency is 0, so omega is also 0, therefore XL is 0. So inductor is used in AC circuits to limit the current. As XL is directly proportional to omega, the graph between XL and omega is a straight line. And the slope of the graph is XL by omega, which is equal to L, inductance of the inductor. Let us see the unit of XL, as XL is L omega and unit of L is ohm second. And therefore omega is per second. So the unit of XL is ohm, same as that of resistance. Now let us say capacitive reactance Hc. It is the opposition offered by a capacitor to the flow of current through it. Current amplitude in a purely capacitive circuit is voltage amplitude Vm into C omega, that is equal to Vm by 1 by C omega. 1 by C omega plays the role of resistance. So Im is equal to Vm by Xc, where Xc is the capacitive reactance, which is equal to 1 by C omega. It plays the role of resistance in a circuit. It limits or regulates the current in a purely capacitive circuit. Xc is inversely proportional to C. It is also inversely proportional to angular frequency omega. For DC, frequency is 0. So Xc tends to infinity. So capacitor blocks DC. As Xc is inversely proportional to angular frequency omega, the graph between Xc and omega is a hyperbola. Let us find the unit of capacitive reactance Xc. Xc is 1 by C omega. Unit of capacitance is Coulomb per volt, because capacitance C is equal to Q by V. And unit of omega is per second. Therefore, unit of Xc is given by volt per coulomb into second. Coulomb per second is ampere, so it is equal to volt per ampere. Volt per ampere is ohm. So Xc has the same unit as that of resistance. So it is analogous to resistance. Thank you.